First up at 5:30, new state training guidelines announced today to battle what they label as implicit bias.
Political reporter Rick Albin joining us now live from the newsroom with the details. Rick?
Susan Bryan, along with the director of the Department of License and Regulatory Affairs and members of the Michigan Coronavirus Task Force on Racial Disparities, Governor Whitmer and Lieutenant Governor Gilchrist talked about the process of identifying and training to avoid implicit bias in health care. The governor signed an executive order last year to deal with the idea that people may make judgments and have preconceived thoughts about others due to their race and ethnicity without consciously knowing it.
And the work that you've done over the last few months will save lives and improve health outcomes for generations of Michiganders, especially those who have historically or systematically been discriminated against. They will make Michigan safer and healthier and more just.
Hundreds of years of racial disparities and inequity continue to have a detrimental impact on the lives, health outcomes, and wealth of people of color across our state and our nation. This coronavirus pandemic has shown that this inequity is particularly dangerous and fatal, especially in the black community, where the health of our friends and family, and my own friends and family, have been disproportionately negatively impacted. But thanks to Governor Whitmer's leadership, our administration took immediate action to tackle this racial injustice now and going forward.
The new guidelines will be required for all new applicants for healthcare licenses and registrations, as well as those renewing such certificates. Each individual will receive mandatory implicit bias training from an accredited source beginning June 1st, 2022, 1 year from today. Susan?